Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Dear viewers, today we discuss rule number 6 to 10 from the 40 rules of love written by Molana Rumi. He rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said, loneliness and solitude are two different things. When you are lonely, it is easy to delude yourself into believing that you are on the right path. Solitude is better for us as it means being alone without feeling lonely. But eventually, it is the best to find a person who will be your mirror. Remember, only in another person's hurt you can truly see yourself and the presence of God within you. Whatever happens in your life, no matter how troubling things might seem, don't enter the neighborhood of despair. Even when all doors remain closed, God will open up a new path only for you. Be thankful. It is easy to be thankful when all is well. A Sufi is thankful not only for what he has been given, but also for all that he has been denied. Patience does not mean to passively endure. It means to look at the end of a process. What does patience mean? It means to look at the thorn and see the rose, to look at the night and see the dawn. Impatience means to be short-sighted as to not be able to see the outcome. The lovers of God never run out of patience, for they know that time is needed for the crescent moon to become full. East, west, south or north makes little difference. No matter what your destination, just be sure to make every journey a journey within. If you travel within, you will travel the whole wide world and beyond. The midwife knows that when there is no pain, the way for the baby cannot be opened and the mother cannot give birth. Likewise, for a new self to be born, hardship is necessary. Just as clay needs to go through intense heat to become strong, love can only be perfected in pain.